The Triad Machine Company, industry leaders in manufactured stair equipment. Today we'd like to focus your video on the operations of the new TSR Template Stair Router. We're going to start up with initial setup and then lead you through the operations to cut a complete stair stringer. The first step would be to choose the appropriate template. Each template is manufactured from durable, lightweight material, cut with a CNC router to your exact specifications. It would define tread width, riser width, wedge angle, wedge offset, nose extension, nose configuration. Once the appropriate template is chosen, now you have to pick the appropriate follower to go in the template. Each follower has been designed to work with each type of cutter. If you're using a straight flute or a dovetail bit, followers have been made at different diameters to fit that particular application. The followers can just simply be removed by removing a socket-headed cap screw from the top, lifting the follower out, putting a new one in. To install a template, ensure that the cavity fits over the follower, and then insert the front bolt. Bolts are provided to hold the template in place. And they only need to be snug. This completes the template installation. The next phase of the operation is to decide upon the rise and the run of your particular staircase. We've provided a standard framing square with some trammel points that can be positioned for any particular rise and run. So the first step would be to position the trammel points to the particular rise that you wish to do. And then the run. Once that's completed, the template angle can be set simply by taking the square and setting the trammel points adjacent to the guide located above the template. Now, the square lines up with the face of the indicator guide. You loosen the hand wheel that secures the template, and then simply rotate the template until the guide bar is adjacent to the face of the square. Then secure the hand wheel. That sets the template angle. Now to set the index position, the same square, oriented as so. You insert it into the stop block, loosen the hand wheel, and adjust the stop block until the other end of the trammel falls into the hole on the right index guide. then simply secure the hand wheel. That sets the index dimension. The next phase of the operation then is to choose which router that you want to run. We have top router and bottom router. You can run either top or bottom or both in any combination. In this case, we're going to cut two stringers simultaneously, so we will run both top and bottom routers. Now, to ensure that you have the appropriate nose clearance, you bring your routers in to the apex of the nose and then measure from the cutting edge to the top of the stringer. If you wish to change that position, the fence can be moved with this hand wheel either farther away to increase the nose clearance or closer to decrease the nose clearance. Once the stringers are in position, you simply hit the clamp button to clamp them in place. We'll guide the routers through this template using the handles provided on the router itself, and we will cut the bottom of the tread first, the back of the riser second, move over to the front of the riser, follow it around the nose, and then finally cut the top of the tread last. All we need to do at this point is hit the router down push button, and the router motors will start and they will stroke down. Just successfully cut one profile, and now to index the board without unclamping, rotate the index bars in, applying a gentle pressure downstream. With your other hand, depress and hold the index push button. Pull the stringer all the way until the stop engages with the right index guide. Then release the index push button and return the slide and cut your next profile. Once the staircase is completed, you simply depress the unclamp button to release the stringers, and roll them out of the machine. To change rise and run without changing profile, you simply have to repeat the first steps where you set the angle of the template and reset the index position, and you can cut the same stair profile with different rises and runs without having to change follower or template. A number of templates can be provided with the machine to the specifications that you desire. Now, if you wish to do a closed tread or a closed riser, stop blocks have been provided that fit in these T-slots that run parallel to the tread and the riser. These blocks can be set to the tread length or to the riser height. Tighten down, and they'll provide a stop for the follower to rest against to make a closed stair profile. If you wish to do a no riser profile, a block has been provided that would replace this one, that would close off the riser, allowing you just to do the tread only. Thank you for your time and attention.